New tonight at 9, Russia is attacking Kyiv, Ukraine with a sophisticated combination of missiles and drones today for the first time in some 73 days. Air raid warnings lasted for hours in the Ukrainian capital as Russia fired 6 ballistic missiles and 90 drones, most of them intercepted by the Ukrainians. And our Jeremy Hubbard was there this morning when those air raid warnings sounded.
That's right. He's in Ukraine tonight and all week with Denver medical volunteers who set up a temporary clinic to help those overcome by war. It's a story you'll only see right here on Fox 31.
Yeah, Matt and Talia, good evening to you. We are about 2 hours south of Kyiv right now in a town that has become home to tens of thousands of refugees since the Russian invasion began, all of them without doctors. And that is where some Colorado volunteers come in. They've come here to help save the day. But the working conditions, as you might imagine, given a war, are less than ideal, as we found out this morning.
Attention, please. Air raid alert was issued. Please. Take shelter.
An air raid warning replaced alarm clocks this morning in Kyiv. Hotel guests like us warned to get to shelter, but few, if any, heeded the warning. It's become so routine here. Turns out this one was the real deal.
Yeah, it was not false alarm. It was a cruise ballistic missile that was launched toward to the city center, and it was hit by air raid protect systems on the left bank.
Lev Prastyapuk is medical director for Global Care Force here in Ukraine. He's in charge of those Colorado volunteers and the rest of their team when they're here. And he says without them, so many in this country would be sick and helpless.
Besides the healing a body, the healing their souls.
As we drive out of Kyiv to meet the Colorado medical volunteers, a stark reminder of the deadly threat that persists here. A cemetery on the outskirts of town where hundreds of Ukrainian soldiers killed in the war with Russia are buried. Some killed so recently they still don't have headstones. Their graves little more than mounds of fresh dirt. At the clinic, set up in part by those Colorado volunteers, we meet this young woman carrying a baby.
And when we cross this road, it was a heavy shelling starting.
She tells Lev she escaped Russian forces in Lugansk while she was pregnant. Now she has a new baby and a 14-year-old daughter left behind in the war zone.
And the people are dying and killing by shooting by any kinds of machine guns.
With nowhere else to turn and no doctors to take care of her, she came here for a medical checkup.
What dose of Bisoprolol is she on?
Without the help of outside volunteers like Doug Amos of Castle Rock, that woman and all these other Ukrainians likely wouldn't have any health care. This is Doug's third time in Ukraine helping people with physical ailments exacerbated by the mental toll a prolonged war has taken.
You know, stress-related issues, a lot of reflux, heartburn, insomnia.
Hard not to interpret from the hardened faces in the waiting room that what's happening around them daily has taken its toll. From the old to the very young, so much uncertainty. But if these people can live with the constant threat of missiles and drones, then for Doug and the other volunteers, being awakened by an air raid warning seems like little more than an inconvenience.
I couldn't be happier. I can only do as much as I'm able to do, and I wish I could do more.
Now, given that constant threat of missiles raining down from the sky and drones firing from above, you can imagine that this is not exactly the volunteer gig for everybody, but they are in desperate need of more medical volunteers for a mission to Ukraine coming up next month. We're talking doctors, physicians, assistants, nurses. If that sounds appealing to you or someone you know, you can find out more about the organization on our website, kdvr.com. Reporting tonight from Cherkasy, Ukraine, Jeremy Hubbard, Fox 31.